Welcome to System Overview. In this video, we are going to see the main features of our eSCADA. Let's take a closer look at the main screen, which is divided into 4 sectors. On the main screen or home page, you can see the status of the equipment components as well as the levels and information regarding the machine status. An overview of the process with parameters and actuators is provided along with a quick read graph and menu navigation. At the top, we have the main status menu, showing the current status of the machine, which can be in process, stop, alarm or warning. It's currently in alarm, indicated by the color change. Here, we can also see the user we're working with. In the central part, we have the generic synoptic where the monitoring and control of the process variables and actuators will be carried out. This section displays the status and current values of all equipment connections, including pumps, sensors, and air inlets. At the lowest part of the screen, we find a simplified graph with the most relevant variables: agitation, temperature, pH, and PO2 during the last hour of the process. On the right-hand side is the navigation menu that allows movement through the different screens of the system. Diving into the menu options, we find a trends screen shows graphs of the process. It shows sensor readings, pump actuation, gas input, and dosed volumes during the test. This screen can be customized according to the needs and preferences of each client, showing the most relevant parameters for each process. Next, we have the configuration screen. It contains the entire configuration of the device. Here we can assess sensor quality, create profiles and users, visualize events, and export data of all processes in CVS format through an USB. Following down the menu, we find the alarm management screen that shows all alarms that are critical for the system and the process. At the top, the alarms are displayed in real time together with a descriptive message, as well as the user. Next, we find the documentation screen that provides access to the latest reports and all equipment manuals, including the electrical diagrams. This feature is crucial for clean rooms where paper is not allowed, enabling necessary queries directly from the screen. We also offer a screen for in-situ cleaning and sterilization of the equipment, allowing for automatic configuration. In the case of glass bioreactors of the eLab range, this screen will be blank. In other cases, like the stainless steel bioreactors of the prod range, this screen will be enabled. Finally, we have a general synoptic screen that shows the real-time values of all additional components. This screen shows the general outline of the process, indicating with a change of color, from blue to green, the active status of the elements that are automatically coordinated. Going back to the home page, the main menu allows setting parameters and marking the set points of all components. By default, it supports manual, automatic, or profile-based operations. For automatic operations, we can create recipes with different phases, both manual and automatic. Transitions between phases can be time-based or manually approved by the user. To work automatically, we can configure all points on the list displayed on the screen and define set points for phase changes. In automatic phases, we specify which components to activate or deactivate and determine the final set point. In automatic mode, you can program cascades based on parameters such as PO2 or pH. Starting from a set point, we have various controls to adjust the values until we reach the desired set point. Thank you for joining us in this overview. For more details, contact our sales team experts, refer to the user manual, or contact our support team.